All right, continuing from our last example, I've added a third button here, change style. So when I click this, I want the background color of the buttons to change. This is useful in applications where you change the theme at runtime. So here's our main page. We've got the resources defined on the top. We've got border radius and background color here. And below that, we have our stack layout with two buttons as before. And here's our third button. And by the way, to simplify this example, I have removed the resources in the application. So everything is just on the main page. Now here in the code behind, when we click the button, I want to change the value of one of these resources. So resources of button background color. I want to set this to a different color. Let's say color.pink. Run the application. So I tap this button, but nothing happens. Why is that? When we use a static resource here, that resource is referenced and used only once during initialization of this property. If the value of this resource changes in the future, this controller will be unaware of that. To fix this problem, we use a different markup extension. We replace static resource with dynamic resource. And one more time here, dynamic resource. So in your applications, if your resources change at runtime, you need to use dynamic resource. Of course, this is not something that every application needs, but in case you need it, you know how to use it. Let's run the application again. So change style. Look, both buttons are now pink.